dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start SST chapter number 15 life in the desert यानी कि desert जो होते हैं रेगिस्तान उनमें जीवन कैसा होता है. So let's begin. Sahara in Africa is the world's largest desert. जो सहारा है अफ्रीका में वो सबसे बड़ा रेगिस्तान है. It is a hot desert that extends over almost 10 countries across North Africa from the shores of Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east. Towards the south, it slowly merges into the tropical savanna grasslands. It stretches over Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco and Sahrawi Republic यानी कि वेस्टर्न सहारा. तो इन सब चीज़ों को इसने इन जगहों को कवर किया हुआ है. ठीक है. सो द सहारा हैज़ एन एरिया ऑफ नियरली 8.54 million square kilometer and extends 5,500 kilometer from north to south and nearly 2,000 kilometer from west to physical features. अब यहाँ का physical features कैसा है? Almost 1/4 of the desert consists of vast areas of sand called arcs which lie within large basins. There are shifting sand dunes as high as 180 meters in these arcs. The rest of the Sahara has scattered areas of bare rocky plateaus, highlands and gravel plains. At a few places, there are isolated fertile spots with little water and vegetation. Such spots are called oases, where people live in village and grow crops. So Lake Chad, located at the southern edge of the desert, is the only freshwater lake in the Sahara. So River Nile, जो नील नदी है, flows along the east while Niger flows in the west. In the western part of Sahara, 2 million dry years have created sand rides of over 300 meters high. So continuous weathering of rocks in the extreme climate has resulted in the formation of a vast sea of sand. मतलब बहुत बड़ा मिट्टी से फैला हुआ वो है ये एरिया. क्लाइमेट, अब यहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा होता है? द क्लाइमेट इज हॉट एंड ड्राई. गर्म और सूखा क्लाइमेट होता है वहाँ यहाँ पे. सम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर्स इन द वर्ल्ड हैव बीन रिकॉर्डेड हेयर. तो सम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर, सबसे हाई टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे होता है. ठीक है. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ अ क्लाउड कवर, जब बादल नहीं होते, है ना. सो द एनुअल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई while summer temperatures shoot up to 55 degrees Celsius. June, July and August सबसे गर्म एरिया होता है ये. are the hottest months. In winter they go down below freezing point. Daily range of temperature is also very high. Days are extremely hot and nights are extremely cold. यानी कि वो जो है दिन बहुत गर्म होते हैं और उतनी ही रातें यहाँ पे ठंडी होती हैं. Annual rainfall and on an average is less than 10 centimeter in some areas. There is virtually no rainfall for many years. Such extreme and harsh climate makes life very difficult for people who live in the Sahara. Vegetation. Lack of water results in scarcity of vegetation. Apart from the usual cacti and date palms, some thorny shrubs are also common in areas near the oceans. So these plants have long roots, thorns and waxy stems to preserve their water content. Animals, यहाँ पे animal कौन कौन से survive करते हैं? Both plants and animals of the desert shown a remarkable adaptation to the natural environment in the Sahara. So the camel is well adjusted to the harsh desert environment and rightly called the ship of the desert. है ना. ऊँट को क्या कहा जाता है? रेगिस्तान का जहाज बोला जाता है उसको. ठीक है. अब animals, other wild animals found here are antelopes, jackals, foxes, gazelles, oryx. Many other animals like rats, snakes, lizards and scorpions are nocturnal in habit and survive on the morning dew for their requirement of water and burrow themselves into the sand during the day. है ना. दिन में क्या करते हैं? वो मिट्टी के अंदर जो है वो बुरो बना के, बिल बना के रहते हैं और रात को निकलते हैं वो पानी की और चीज़ों की खोज में. इट्स हॉट क्योंकि दिन गर्म भी होता है तो धूप में नहीं निकलते वो. इंसेक्ट्स लाइक स्पाइडर आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन द सहारा. लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल. Despite the harsh climate, nearly 2 million people live in the Sahara Desert. Mostly They are nomadic tribes who wander from place to place with their herd of camels, sheep, and goats in search of food and water. So they are brave and accustomed to hard life. These natives are called the Turigis of Western Sahara and Bedouins of Arabian Desert. So they rear goats, sheep, camel, and horses. They get milk, hides for leather, hair for carpets, and other woolens from these animals. So these people wear heavy robes as protection from the sun. They trade locally in ivory, dates, utensils, and rugs. They move in caravans from one place to another, trucks and replacing camels as means of transport. तो सबसे जो उचित यहाँ पे क्या है वो है कैमल, क्योंकि वही सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं रेगिस्तान में. Over the past few decades, the northern stretches of the Sahara Desert have become rich and modernized because of discovery of oil. है ना, यहाँ पे तेल बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है, इसलिए Libya, Algeria and Egypt in particular have shown a lot of development, which is the outcome of the exploitation of oil and natural gas and minerals like iron, phosphorus, magnesium and uranium. The cold desert Ladakh. Ladakh is encompassed by the Karakoram range in the north and the Zanskar range in the south. Many rivers like Indus, Shyok, Nubra, etc. flow through Ladakh. So the Indus River originates from Ladakh. These rivers flow and form valleys and gorges. Many glaciers are also found here, like the Galri Glacier. Climate. The altitude in Ladakh vary from 3,000 meter in Kargil to 8,000 meter in the Karakoram. So the temperature varies with the altitude. The climate is extremely cold and dry because of high altitude. High altitude होता है, इसी वजह से यहाँ का weather जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है और dry है. The day temperature in the summer season is just about 0 degrees Celsius. And the temperature at night is around minus 30 degrees Celsius. In the winters, the temperatures plunges below 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees Celsius. So, the Great Himalayas act as a barrier and does not allow the moist air and clouds to enter this region, which is thus called the rain shadow of the Himalaya. Hence, the rainfall is almost below 10 centimeters in 1 year, एक साल में. Natural vegetation and wildlife. यहाँ के जो वनस्पति हैं और वन्य जीवन है वो कैसा है? So, as the rainfall, the region is very less and there is a scarcity of water. The vegetation is also very less here. Small patches of grass and few shrubs can be grown in a scattered manner. But in the river valleys, trees like willows and poplars are seen. A variety of fruits also grow. In the summers, apples, apricots, walnuts, etc. are harvested. Yak, goats, sheep, and a variety of dogs are found in this region. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. Woolen articles are made from the hair of goats and sheep. Milk, meat, and hides provided by goats and sheep are well utilized. A variety of birds are also found here, like robins, red stars, snowpokes, ravens, etc. Many of these birds are migratory. Shahtush is very light and warm wool obtained from Tibetan antelope, which is an endangered species. Life of people. अब लद्दाख के लोगों का जीवन कैसा है? So let's begin. People in Ladakh have to bear rough weather conditions, so they mostly live in villages. The houses in villages are either built along a road or scattered in a field. So, in Ladakh, there are a number of Buddhist monasters with traditional gompas. The famous ones are Hamis, Tiksi, Shai, and Lamayuru. Annual festivals are also celebrated in the winter season in these gompas. So, Ladakh is a tourist destination. People from India and abroad visit Ladakh between May and October. Okay, तो ये बहुत अच्छा पर्यटन स्थल है. तो जाते हैं, विदेश से भी जाते हैं और इंडिया से भी जाते हैं यानी. Visit to Gompas, trek to see the meadows and glaciers. So, witnessing ceremonies and festivities are some of the activities done by the tourists. So, due to modernization, the life of the people of Ladakh is undergoing a lot of change. People cultivate crops in the mouth of May and harvest in the mouth of September to avoid frost. Wheat is the main crop of this region and barley comes the next. So in the summer, people cultivate peas, potatoes, beans, etc. Horticulture and livestock rearing are also done by the people of this region. So the Defense Research Development Organization, means DRDO, has developed a new technology to help people produce more fruit and vegetables. These are many oases in the desert close to the narrow streams of all the rivers along which crops are grown. Women manage all the work on the farms. औरतें भी जो है पूरा जो खेतों का काम है वो औरतें मैनेज करती हैं. They also run small businesses and shop. छोटे छोटे उनके व्यापार भी हैं और दुकानें भी हैं. During winters, practically no work is done in the fields. सर्दियों में जो है खेतों में ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं होता क्योंकि सर्दी बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी हो जाती है. The main work then is to look after the livestock. So weaving is also done during winters. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Is well connected by roads and air. So the national highway 1A connect to the Kashmir Valley to Jammu through the Zojila Pass. तो जो जोजिला अंडर पास है उसके थ्रू जो है ना कहाँ से 1A कनेक्ट हो रही है कश्मीर घाटी को जम्मू थ्रू द जोजिला पास. So I hope you all are, so all topics are covered here. I hope you all are very well understand it. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.